How to add a payment method in Grubhub. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a payment method in the Grubhub app so you can start ordering your favorite food without any hassle. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Grubhub app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. Now from here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as payment. So simply tap on it, and this is where all your saved payment options are listed. And now to add a new payment method, just tap on the plus icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the page where you need to enter your card details. So here, just enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip code. Or if you want to scan it, you can simply scan by tapping on the scan button. And here, once you're done entering your card credential, you can just tap on save and proceed. And after that, the payment method will be added to your Grubhub account. And that's it. That's how you can add or use a payment method in the Grubhub app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.